Anusuya Uike, who has been serving as governor of Manipur since February of last year, is set to be replaced by Lakshman Prasad Acharya, former governor of Sikkim. In a recent governor reshuffle, which came after the resignation of Banwarilal Purohit as the governor of Punjab and the administrator of Chandigarh, Lakshman Prasad Acharya has been appointed as the new governor of Assam and given additional responsibilities for Manipur. According to a statement issued by the Rashtrapati Bhavan, President Draupadi Murmu has accepted the resignation of Banwarilal Purohit as the governor of Punjab and the administrator of Chandigarh and appointed Lakshman Prasad Acharya in replacement of Gulab Chand Kataria, who has been appointed the administrator of the Union Territory of Chandigarh. Now, Jharkhand Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan has been appointed as the governor of Maharashtra, Haribao Kisanrao Bagde as the governor of Rajasthan, Jishnu Dev Verma as Telangana governor, and Om Prakash Mathur will be the new governor of Sikkim. While Ramen Deka has been appointed as the governor of Chhattisgarh and C.H. Vijaya Shankar as the governor of Meghalaya. The president also appointed K. Kailash Nathan as the lieutenant governor of Puducherry with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office.